Avuxeni, ihlekani ri perile. Na mi amukela ka Conspicuous Talents TV, home of talent and analysis under the banner of Conspicuous Media. A hi tlangi na genge. So loko mi nge se subscribe ni kombela mi subscribe hi ndlela yeleyo. Loko ri already se mi subscribe-ini na khensa ku va mi subscribe-ini, swi vula swo tala ka mina ni le ka channel hi ndlela yeleyo. So ku le ku nandzikeni xigazini, ku le ku nandzikeni ka Vatsonga Entertainment, swilo swi tshamisekile, ku busy, ti-album ti le ku humeni and hi le ku nyanyuriweni, ti-single ti le ku humeni hi le ku nyanyuriweni. Ku nga swihoxo swa kahle leswi swi langutelaku ka lava nga koho ka game ya Vatsonga Entertainment. So lexi ni lavaka hi bula hi xona namuntlha it's quite simple for munhu un'wana na un'wana loyi a yingiselaka music wa Xitsonga a nga va kha a swi tiva kumbe a swi tekele enhlokweni already. So okay, a hi sunguleni la. At first we had Limpopo Poison consisting of Benny Mayengani, Prince Rangani and Dr. Joe Shriman. And about psychology and everyone was there by then. And then so Limpopo Poison was divided, Kubana Black Poison, and then Dr. Joe Shriman Asala, and then they renamed Limpopo Poison to Tim Shriman. And then Kubana Black Poison, main characters Kuba Kore Prince na Bay. And then these two later on separated. Rangani aba solo, Benny aba solo. And then so lexi nga ka xi humelela i ku ti-fan ku na leti nga salela eka Tim Shriman, ku na leti nga famba na Prince, ku na leti nga famba na Benny. Okay. And then by asayitini ku na Mr Post. Ene loko sayitini ku ri na Mr Post hi ndlela yeleyo na ti-fan ta yena. So loko nkarhi yo kha wu famba, Mr Post, Prince Rangani, Dr Joe Shriman va tirha xikan'we. Swi komba ku se ti-fan ta Prince i ti-fan ta Joe Shriman, ti-fan ta Joe Shriman, ti-fan ta Prince, ti-fan ta Mr Post, ti-fan ta Prince, ti-fan ta Post, ti-fan ta Dr Joe Shriman. Now they are a team, va tirha xikan'we. And then ti-fan ta Benny Mayengani, ti-fan ta Benny Mayengani asayitini hi ndlela yeleyo. So why ni rhanga ni vula sweswi na ta vulavula hi mhaka ya ku beef leyi nga koho ka music wa Xitsonga la yi between Mr Post na Benny Mayengani. Kusuka endzhaku a yi ri between Post na Benny Mayengani. So swi endla ku Mr Post ku va ku ri the only artist leyi nga capable ku yi nga teka Benny, yi nga cheka Benny Mayengani on in terms of beef. Why ni vula so i ku ku ya hi scenario leyi nga mi nyika yona ya ti-fan ta koho i vanhu van'we hi ndlela liya. So swi komba ku there is a possibility ya ku Benny Mayengani might have lost some of his fans to Tim Shriman, or Tim Shriman might have lost some of the fans to Benny Mayengani hi ndlela yeleyo. So na swi twa ku na beef ya vu Caterpillar. For example, last year Caterpillar erasini, Benny a nge se humesa papila ro sungula. I think humesa na papila ra vumbirhi, Benny a nge se humesa, I'm not sure. Benny didn't respond. Benny didn't say anything about Caterpillar ka tingoma ta yena hi ndlela liya. Lo lexi a nga xi endla, I'm not even sure ku a rifera ka Caterpillar or what. Loko a ku mu byela kambe te mukula wele kwini, ni rivele tiko leri a nga ri mexe yena hi ndlela yeleyo. So some suspected ku a nga va kha vulavula hi Caterpillar. Okay. Benny didn't respond to Caterpillar. And then this year ku ta va na papila, ni te papila ra vungani Caterpillar. And then ku tlhela ku va na Caterpillar, Mapele featuring Caterpillar, ka ha ri risimu leri chingelaku Benny Mayengani. However a ri chingeli Benny Mayengani direct, va chingela nsati wa Benny through Benny Mayengani. Ane? So let's back to Mr Post issue. Mr Post is the only capable artist loyi a nga cheka Benny Mayengani head on, and Benny a tlha a responda ka that beef. Why ni vula so i ku loko mi languta pattern ya swilo swa ti-beef, ku ve na ni rivele na ku mention this other guy, mi ri mani, Magadhavi na ye Zamini sweswiyana ri na Mr Post na Prince ku la ku befa Benny. Benny didn't even bother by responding to such. But xitsongo lexi Mr Post a nga tshika a xi vula, kumbe Prince Rangani kumbe Dr Joe Shriman va nga tshika ku va xi vula, it's going to be a bigger issue. Benny is going to attack based on that. Why na? because of the fact learning ngamnika yo ya defense. It's like how they used to be and how they are today. Man Komayana, I hope it makes sense. So lava one abatsi ku tidyela nkarhi ku rhuketela Ben Mayengani and everything, cause possibility ya ku Ben Mayengani aya responda yi le hansi. The only guy that Benny can respond i Mr Post, given the reason ya fan base, cause fan base yo endla ku music wa munhu wu kula, yo endla ku music wa munhu wu va sustainable. So these two guys, they're not just fighting and everything, they're also fighting for the fan base kuyikula. You can stop being the fan of Mr Post and become the fan of Ben Mayengani. That's how it is, more like Chiefs and Pirates. If you're not on this other side, you are on this other side. So Benny can only be challenged by Mr Post and those who are working with Mr Post, given the fact your fan base. How do you beef someone oka angarna fan base you tia? What are you aiming to achieve by doing so? Akuna achieve. You see? So the only guy who can beef Ben Mayengani and Ben Mayengani respond, or Ben Mayengani feel the urge to respond, he makes the post. So if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Of course, our channel we are approaching 5,000. I think we are less than 30 subscribers away from reaching 5,000 subscribers. So I subscribe in Thank you so much.